Hey guys, I just wanted to do a quick video on my 2019 Royal Enfield Himalayan. The gear shift indicator stopped working, and now if I shift into gear, I just get the blinking dash line. Neutral, I get the 0, but it no longer displays the gear that I'm in. I was on the Royal Enfield owners forum and somebody suggested to disconnect the battery and let it set and then reconnect the battery, and that may solve the problem, so I'm going to give it a try and see what happens. Okay, so I've disconnected the negative terminal and I let it sit for a couple of minutes, and now we're going to turn it on and see what happens. Hopefully we have gear indicator working. Yep, look at that. There it is. Can't get it in a second. Just sitting here. Let me try turning the back wheel. Hold on a second. Okay, it seems like everything's working again. So if you have the same problem, if you've disconnected your battery and the gear shift indicator stops working, try disconnecting the battery again and then let it sit for a minute or two and then reconnect the battery, and that's probably going to take care of your problem. That's what's done it for me. Hope that helps.